Question from Greg. Is there a basic script that trainees can use that show examples of direct versus indirect hypnotic instructions? Okay, now let's look at this question first of all. Is there a basic script? No, there's no basic script. There are scripts that you can use as a reference to learn from, but not to use, because no two people are the same. Why on earth would you sit there and read out a script to your client? They're not all the same, these people. They have different problems. They have different perceptions. They have different beliefs. You've got to say the things that are right for that particular client. You're custom designing a therapy for that client. So let's just talk about scripts here. I think what Greg is talking about here is a script for learning. That's fine. Okay. Is the one that shows examples of direct versus indirect hypnotic instructions. Well, let's take this word instructions. You're not giving instructions. What you're doing half the time is asking questions. You're implying a question that's not required, they're not required to answer consciously. They are required to answer unconsciously. So the instructions are more like guidelines, nudging them in the right directions. Not so much instructions. Okay, so let's just change that. But direct versus indirect. Yes, there are scripts which demonstrate how to convert direct into indirect. And these scripts already exist in your head. Okay, you create them yourself. Without any doubt, the best way to learn this is to create them yourself. So if you're concerned that you're too direct, or you just like to learn more indirect work, write out examples and direct suggestions. Okay, just imagine a context. Okay, what do you want to achieve? Trance induction? Something therapeutic? Producing hypnotic phenomena? What do you want? Just make it up, okay, and write out some examples of direct suggestions. And then think, how can I reword that to make it indirect? So it still has the same meaning, still has the same persuasiveness, if you like, but doesn't sound like it's bullying somebody into trance, or that you are this superhuman hypnotist who has power over their mind. Something that somehow is just gently evoking the trance from within, or evoking the change from within them. You create that yourself, this script. First of all, just take suggestions and then convert them into indirect, and then start creating your own scripts based on an imaginary client. And if you can, record a few sessions, then recreate that session, write it down in a new way, where you're saying indirectly what you previously said directly. That's it. It comes down to hard work. That's it. That's the only way you can do it. But it really is the very best way you can improve yourself. And your own unconscious mind learns very quickly. It'll say, oh, is this what you want me to do? I'll start doing it for you, so you don't have to do it anymore. Seriously, like driving a car, like playing a piano, anything